A multi-million-dollar water project in the heart of Northridge is on the fast track to becoming a reality. The Aliso Creek Limekiln Creek Restoration Project at Vinalden Park is aimed at reducing pollutants in city waters by treating stormwater and urban runoff from Aliso and Limekiln creeks and an open-channel storm drain. Runoff will be diverted to pretreatment equipment for removal of trash and debris and then conveyed to a bioretention basin for further filtration before discharging back to the creeks and ultimately the Los Angeles River. "We want to make sure the quality of our water in our waterways are clean," said Tracy Minamide, Chief Operating Officer for the Los Angeles Sanitation and Environment Department. Aliso Creek and Limekiln Creek and of course the Los Angeles River are important assets. We want to make sure we protect and preserve them. We are working hard to make sure the water quality is there to support the habitat and the restoration and wildlife so it continues to be a community benefit. The city will use $16.7 million in Proposition O Clean Water Bond funds for the project. Prop O is a measure passed in 2004 by city voters and provides $500 million in obligation bond money for water quality improvement projects. This project and Sunland Valley's $200 million Rory M. Shaw Wetlands Park project, one of the largest recent ongoing stormwater projects in the city, are at the tail end of distributing Proposition O funds, according to city officials. Proposition O has funded 32 projects throughout the city. Projects are based on improving the water quality of rivers, lakes and beaches in Los Angeles and help the city comply with its stormwater regulations. However, the projects have added benefits with respect to creating open space, creating ecological habitats and control flooding. The Vinalden Park project was first proposed by the Mountains Recreation and Conservation Authority in 2006. This restoration project was approved in 2016 by the City Council for initial funding and it is currently going through processes to get that final piece of funding that was needed through Prop O, Minamide said. It is currently in the design phase. It's a $16 million project currently under design and we anticipate it will begin construction by mid-2021 and be completed by mid-2023. The project is on the south and east side of the 16.8-acre Vinalden Park bound by Vinalden Avenue, the Robert M. Wilkinson Multipurpose Senior Center, Aliso and Limekiln Creeks and the Union Pacific Railroad tracks. It also straddles Aliso Creek on another adjacent parcel of land owned by the city. The project includes a pretreatment system that mechanically removes trash and sediment, bioretention basin or landscape depressions or shallow basins used to slow and treat on-site stormwater runoff, planting of California native trees and building rock formations and a walking path.